prize, Admira. So happy to do this. Somebody who put her life on the line for our country. You know what? This is a little bit that Couto Construction is gonna help out and give back. So let's see how this goes. Hi, Admira.
Congratulations.
You're getting a new roof. We lied. This isn't an inspection.
Congratulations.
That was a surprise.
Hi, buddy. How's it going?
First off, I want to say thank you so much for your service. Right?
Well, I'm still kind of like letting that sink in.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No worries.
still kind of I get it.
Like,
Yeah.
So tell me, so would you serve in the military?
I joined out of Massachusetts and I went to Fort Bliss, Texas, and then I remember being like a young girl, like all eager, and then my sergeant major just like, yeah, you're gonna be going to, do you have any problem deploying? I'm like, oh no, like I'm all high speed. So yeah, you're gonna be going to Iraq in about 30 days, and I'm like,
Wow. Okay. That got real. That got real.
I didn't even tell my mom.
Yeah.
I went to Iraq, didn't tell my mom the whole time I was there.
Oh, really? You didn't? Well, you didn't want to stress her out, right?
She was so upset. But I did the first one and I came back and I did my second one. That's when I ended up actually getting injured. And
So you did two separate occasions. Wow. Well, we really do appreciate your service, and obviously words can't describe what I'm sure what you've seen, but we really do appreciate that, and we're happy that we can help now, right? So
it's rough, but the way that I see it is, I am still alive.
Yeah.
People wish
Yeah.
could hold on to
And
that one
be where
thing
you
in
are.
life.
Yeah.
And I try to make the most out of it. When even rough days, I continue to push through.
Yeah.
I wish the people that I lost that were here.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna live for you.
Yeah.
I promise, no matter how rough it gets, I will continue to push through.
I'm sure you got a lot of things that you got to worry about, but one thing you're not going to have to worry about is you're going to be absolutely all set
Thank
with
you
the
so
roof.
much.
No, and the great, listen, we were
Thank you.
Owens Corning is helping out with the roof, and then there's the roof deployment project as
Operation
well. Operation Homefront, so
yeah,
which
they
is
have
great.
been amazing.
Yeah.
They have been.
Well, let me hand that to you, so that you get your Couto free roof. 1, 2, 3, beautiful. All right, buddy.
You want to see? All right, let's see. He's going to...